I was working on this project, but tools that I have were a little bit too big. I already made a new beveler, so now I want to show you how you can make a background tool from some nails. So let's do that. So you take the nail, cut off the head or the point, doesn't really matter. Put it in a bench vise and take a punch. Just a standard punch. And start marking up all the whole face of the nail. So mark it out like this, shape it on the grinder to the shape you want. This one is the one I did a couple of years ago. So this one I did a couple of years ago. Small tear shape. Next one is gonna be even smaller. This one is a really small one. Still hot. As you can see, this one is really small. And now let's see how it does on the leather. Let's see, I'm just gonna do the eye right now, just to see how it looks. And if I like it, that's what. Just some small passes. Around the dragon's head for now. So now we have a really small background tool to go between the claws of the dragon. So yeah, that's basically how you make a back stamping leather tool. If you want to see more videos like this, some homemade leather tools, I mean, most of my tools I made myself, including the swivel knife, a video on that. But if you want to see more of that, let me know. And that's it for this video. Talk to you all later. Bye.